मध्यान आहार केटररां खातीर बिरेस्तारा अन्न सुरक्षा प्रशिक्षण आनी दाखलो दिवपी कार्यावळ घडोवन हाडिल्ली। मध्यान आहार कशे रितीन मायेन आनी नितळसाणेन करचो ह्या विशीं केटर्सां खातीर प्रशिक्षण दिलें। आरडेक्सको खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस।
To inaugurate this program of food safety training and certification for midday meal caterers. So for this, the food establishment, they are governed under Food Safety and Standards Act, and the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, which is an autonomous body. So they have this certification program for all the food business operators. So, and it is mandatory that each food business operator has at least one person certified under this scheme of FOSTEC, that is Food Safety Training and Certification Program. The thing is that, as we know, Anna is Parabrahma, so you are doing a very noble activity of giving food to small young children. So you should consider, when you are preparing a food, you should prepare it with love and affection, the way a mother prepares it at home. We all are mothers. So the same way you should do, and it's not that you should not look at it as a business. Of course, the business activity is there because you are doing it for your financial independence that you want. But the thing is that same time, तुम्ही अशें पळोवपाक जाय की आमी जशें घरा कडेन रांदतात आमच्या भुरग्यां खातीर, तशेंच तुम्ही मायेन तें रांदपाक जाय.
So we follow this very important because we are dealing with guests and you are dealing with children. So your responsibility, आपका जो दायित्व है वो हमसे भी ज्यादा है. So it is very important for us. The second thing I wanted to say that food safety is not expensive. अगर आप सारा फूड सेफ्टी का नॉर्म्स को फॉलो करोगे तो आप जो खाना बना रहे हो या आप जो सब्जी खरीद रहे हो ज्यादा दिन चलेगा. So actually it helps you in cutting cost. It does not in any way increase your cost. And the second thing is that you will feel very happy. आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा अगर आप जब ये हाइजीन प्रोसेस करोगे कि आपका किचन हमेशा साफ रहेगा, आपको कुछ करना नहीं पड़ेगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि 3 महीने के बाद सडनली कुछ ऑडिट आ रहा है तो आपको एसिड लेके सफाई करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि आप हर दिन ऑडिट के लिए रेडी हो. सो द आइडिया ऑफ दिस फूड सेफ्टी एक्चुअली should go to that level.
Everything depends upon how you take it and how best you are going to utilize that knowledge in the field wherever you are going to prepare the food. So in that way, ultimately everything depends upon the participants, how much you want to take out of this training program. As I said, objective is to improve upon our standard. It doesn't mean that we are below par, we are at par or we are already above par, but still there is always scope for improvement. The purpose is to improve our standard. To that extent, I would request all of you to make the best use of this opportunity.